Alright, welcome back. And we're gonna go ahead and model this one up. Nice little part here. Got some dimensions here. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up a new file. It's gonna be a metric. I am going to start a 2D sketch. I will be using the XY plane. And let's go ahead and get started with some circles here. It'll be a 36 millimeter. And also a 60 millimeter. .36 and a 60. I'm going to go ahead and create a line to your right. And it's going to be an 82 millimeter. I'm going to go up 6 millimeters. And to the left, 40 millimeter. Now I'm going to come down 40 millimeters. And I am going to connect or snap to the circle. And I'm going to use my tangent constraint to the outside portion of the circle. Right click OK. Perfect. Alright, so let's create another rectangle. Just like that. Right click OK. Now let's go ahead and dimension from here to here. Wow, that's a perfect 12 millimeter. That's where we want to be. And we want to dimension the box here 60 millimeters. Just like that. And location from here to here is going to be 18. Just like that. Alright. So we need to finish the sketch. Well, we can go back and clean it up here. Let's just delete this. We don't need that. Okay, so we can finish the sketch here. Alright, let's extrude a few of these planes. Let's extrude. This one's a hole, this one's a through, so let's go ahead and extrude this. We're going to go both ways, in both directions. We're going to extrude this 66 millimeters. Hit apply. We're going to extrude this face in both directions. We're going to extrude this 54 millimeter. Hit apply. We're going to extrude this face both directions 18 millimeters. Just like that. Okay, hit OK. Alright. So next we can start a new sketch back here, and we're going to start with a rectangle just like this, and it's going to be 92. Hit your tab on your keyboard by 80. Right click OK. Now we're going to use these constraints. We're going to use a vertical constraint. Find the center of this line. Just like that. Right click OK. And a horizontal constraint. We're going to constrain from here to here. Just like that. Perfect. So we can draw some circles here. And it, excuse me, they're going to be 16 millimeters. One here. And one here. And we can dimension from here to here. 20 millimeter. And from here to here, it's going to be 20 millimeters as well. Okay. So we can constrain this circle to this circle by doing a horizontal. Just like that. And all we have to do is dimension from here to here to be 20 millimeters. Just like that. So now we can finish the sketch. Hold the shift key and the wheel on your mouse. And we're going to extrude this face. We're going to extrude this face 18 in one direction. Just like that. Alright. So now we can start another sketch. We're going to sketch on the XY plane once again. We're going to slice the graphic so it's right down the middle. Okay. And we're going to sketch a line from here to here and straight down and over. Right click OK. Alright. So finish sketch. We're going to extrude that face in both directions. 12 millimeters. Just like that. Pretty simple. Alright, now there's a cut here. So let's go ahead and start a sketch on that face. Create a rectangle here. And it's going to be right click OK. Okay. It's going to be from the center line here. It's going to be measured or dimensioned from this edge to the center of the hole. It's going to be 24 millimeters. Just like that. And the width is going to be 24 millimeters as well. Now it's not centered, and that's okay. Right click OK. Do a horizontal constraint. Now it's centered. And it's okay that we're off here because we're just using it to cut straight down. So finish the sketch. We're going to extrude this face and we're going to do a cut, and we can do a through all Just like that. And hit OK. Now there is a chamfer here, or a radius here. A fillet, I'm sorry. That is a 20 millimeter fillet, just like that. Now my model only has it on one side, and you can add it on both, that's fine. Just like that. Looks a lot cleaner this way. Alright. Well, thanks for watching. Give me a like, subscribe. Let me know how I'm doing. So from here, we can change the color. I like to use a sky blue medium. I like that color. You could also change the color here in the adjustment. Select your model and use this wheel here. Yep. Well, thank you. Leave me a comment to see how you guys did on building this model. See you on the next one.